Hi guys, good day. My name is Victor, the tutor and instructor from Jovi Softech Solution. Today we shall be looking at how to use Excel to do your leveling computation using height of collimation method or height of instrument method. From our last class or our last session, we look at how to use Excel to do leveling computation using rise and fall method. But today we shall be looking at how to use it to do height of collimation method, that is height of instrument method. So be attentive as we proceed. Thank you. So like you can see you have your Excel program file here. So and from here, the next thing is to just to copy and paste your feed data here inside this particular columns. That's where you copy and paste your data, your data rather. Then from there, once you paste your data here, irrespective of the number, so you have to code your height of instrument from tab or the cell. You have to code this first cell, like don't forget, from the formula you had the backside plus the inter plus the reduced level, and that's how it works. Don't forget, you will be the one to input this one. You'll be the one to input this. Don't forget, you have to input this, and that's why you have it here. So once you input it, then you can generate orders. So but this one, don't forget, it depends on this one depends on it. That means for the reduced level of the benchmark is what the height of instruments or height of collimation depends on to get your value for the next reduced level or for the next elevation. So you can see the formula here. You see, you have the condition. If B2, that's this one, backside, then it will be backside plus that reduced level that you input. You see, you have this there. But if the condition is not fulfilled, you have comma, like you can see. Then you have this there. You have your quotation mark. That is, if the condition is not fulfilled, you should leave it as empty cell, and you have that. Then once you have that, you are done with that one. So you now move to the next cell or the next feed, that is reduced level. Then from there, don't forget, you have to follow the next reduced level, not this one that you inserted. This is where you put your formula. Inside this one, you put your formula. You can see you have this equals $2 minus C3 minus D3. $2 means, this dollar means it won't update this cell E2. That's what it means. It will not update it to E3, E4, E5, E6 as condition, as whatever it may be, or whatever case it may be. It will not upgrade it. So that means you have E2 here. Then for the next one to E2, then for the next one E2. That's what it implies. It will not change it. It won't change the value there. So, and you have minus. That means you subtract it from either your intersite or your foresight. That's why you have either from C3 minus D3, because you can't have this at the same time. That's why I put it like this. You can't have intersite and foresight on the same line. So you have this. It's only backside and foresight you can have on the same line, like you can see, as you can see here, and that's how it works. So once you are done with this, don't forget, the formula still active till here until you get to the next station immediately after your turning point, and that's where you have your you have to update your height of instruments or your height of collimation. So you have to update it from E2 to E10. You see, you have E10 here, and you have to change it here, you have to upgrade it here, and that's why you have this value here. Then for the next one, immediately after your turning point, you have to upgrade this to E17, $17, not E17 alone. Then it works like that, and that's how it goes. Then let me show you how it works. See, let me delete this, let me delete this to see whether the condition is fulfilled or not. It's practical example. So you can see, if I drag this one, if I drag it down, see, to fulfill the condition, you can see, as you can see here, it works, right? Then for the next one, see, if I don't forget, this is where this is where we have the formula. We will be the one to insert this one. So let me remove all this, let me delete it. Then you can see, if I drag this one down, see the result it gave me. Don't mind me, this is not correct. It's only from here to here that is correct, but from here to here down is wrong, because you have to update it, because what you have here is E2 all through, which is not so. It's supposed to upgrade it. So from here, what we do is just that we have to upgrade this one to E10 like we have the other time. Then from here we can drag it down to the turning point. In station, immediately after turning point, you have to upgrade it as well to E17, like you can have here the value here. So you have to upgrade this one to E17 so that you have your correct value. So from here you can just drag and drop this, like you can see, and that's the correct answer. And that's how you go about out of coordination method, and that's how it works. Thank you very much. I'll see you in next class, whereby we're discussing on how to do back computation on Excel as well. So before then, until then, take care of yourself, keep tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Juvis Software Solutions page on our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Later.